Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail account without phone number verification, and you don't need a VPN for this method. Step 1. Use a fresh phone or a device that has never created a Gmail account before. This is the main secret. If your device has created many accounts, Google will automatically ask for a phone number. Step 2. Go to your phone settings, open app details, and clear cache only for these apps: Gmail, Play Store, Google Play Services. This helps reset Google's request and reduces the chance of phone verification showing up. Step 3. Open the Gmail app, tap Add Account, then choose Google. Start creating your new Gmail account directly inside the Gmail app. Step 4. Enter your name, username, and password. If the phone number page appears, check if there's a skip option. If you see it, tap it immediately. Then accept Google's terms. Your Gmail will be created without phone verification. Extra tip: some people say it works and others say it doesn't. Here's the truth. Use a clean device. Clear cache for Gmail, Play Store, and Play Services. Use the Gmail app to create the account. If you follow these steps correctly, your Gmail will be created smoothly. That's it for today's video. If this helped you, don't forget to subscribe and share. If you have any questions, you can contact me on Telegram or WhatsApp. I'm always ready to help. And if there's any video you want me to cover next, tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching.